Hi, boys and girls. Today is Monday, June 1st, and this is Rhymes and Times. All you'll need today is your Rhymes and Times packet and your whiteboard, eraser, and marker. So please go ahead and get those things out. All right, boys and girls, so now that you've gotten all of your materials out, let's go ahead and review all of our rhymes. Let's start with the first one. Ready? 4 times 7, 28 spiders are webbing. 4 times 7, 28 spiders are webbing. 7 times 8, golly gee, $56, all for me. Cha-ching! 7 times 8, golly gee, $56, all for me. Cha-ching! Thick time thick, the thick lollipop licks. Crunch! Thick time thick, the thick lollipop licks. Crunch! 7 times 7, bugs in a line, creeping and crawling all 49. 7 times 7, bugs in a line, creeping and crawling all 49. Show me 9 times 7. Since you're doing 9 times 7, you're multiplying by 9. Look at the other number, which is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the answer is 63. 63. 0 is always the hero. 0 is always the hero. What is 1 times 8? 8. What is 12 times 1? 12. Whenever you multiply by 1, the answer is the other number. When you multiply by 2, you count by 2, or just double the other number. And when you multiply by 5, just count by 5. Let's do it. 3 times 6, pick up 18 sticks. 3 times 6, pick up 18 sticks. 4 times 6, count those 24 kicks. Hiya! 4 times 6, count those 24 kicks. Hiya! Ready? Put those hands on your hips, and we're going to swirl around. Ready? 8 times 8, clips fell on the floor. Pick them up, all 64. Again, 8 times 8, clips fell on the floor. Pick them up, all 64. All right, here's my favorite one. Ready? Remember, we just spin in the beginning. 3 times 7, spin 21 tops. Watch them all till each one drops. Again, 3 times 7, spin 21 tops. Watch them all till each one. And now in your whiniest voice, let's do this rhyme. 3 times 3, 9 cuts on my knee. 3 times 3, 9 cuts on my knee. And now don't remember to do 4 and 8 together. Ready? 4 times 8, bubbles are fun. Pop 32, then you are done. Again, 4 times 8, bubbles are fun. Pop 32, then you are done. All right, boys and girls, so let's practice a few things. Let's practice multiplying by 10, by 11, and 12. Let's start with 10 times 3, and then do 11 times 3, and finally, please do 12 times 3. So go ahead and write those down on your whiteboard, 10 times 3, 11 times 3, 12 times 3, and do those 3 problems. So please pause the video so you can do those 3 problems and then press play when you're ready for the answers. All right, you've pressed play, which means you're probably done and you're ready for the answers. 10 times 3 we know is so easy. Whenever you multiply by 10, all you have to do is take that 0 from the 10 and add it to the other number, so the answer is 30. For 11 times 3, whenever you multiply by 11, all you have to do, since there are 2 1s in the 11, you better put 2 3s in the answer, 33. And for 12 times 3, all you have to do is pretend that the 12 is an 11. We know what 11 times 3 is, right? It's 33. And then you have to add the other number. 33 plus 3 equals 36. And there's your answer. All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and take a look now at the rhyme that we did last, which was 3 times 8, 24 flies are on my plate. Yuck! And so I just want to show you this plate with 24 flies on them. And I want you to count them with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And so we say the rhyme, 3 times 8, 24 flies are on my plate. Yuck! 3 times 8, 24 flies are on my plate. Yuck! So remember that 3 times 8 is 24, but also if we use commutative property and we flip those factors, 8 times 3 also equals 24. And remember for the rhyme, what we do is we show 3 fingers and then we show 5 fingers, because what's 3 plus 5? 8. So it's 3 times 8, but you're swatting a fly. So you're going like this, 3 times 8. So remember 3 and then 8. 3 times 8, 24 flies are on my plate. Yuck! And then really swat that last fly. Last time. 3 times 8, 24 flies are on my plate. Yuck! All right, now let's take a look at the very last one that we did. So I'm going to make this a little bigger. And let's see here. Here we go. All right, here's what it is. Let's say 2 more times. Ready? 3 times 8, 24 flies are on my plate. Yuck! 3 times 8, 24 flies are on my plate. Yuck! And here's the last one we did, the 4 times 4. Okay, so remember, usually when you want to show that you're sleeping, we put our little hands underneath our chins like this, or our cheeks like this. But instead of doing it like that, I want you to take 4 here and 4 here, put them together so that it's 4 times 4. Ready? 4 times 4, I heard you snore. 16 times and not one more. One more time. 4 times 4, I heard you snore. 16 times and not one more. I have a feeling we're supposed to go like this, and not one more. Let's do that one more time. Ready? 4 times 4, I heard you snore. 16 times and not one more. I think that's how it is. I don't remember. All right, boys and girls, here is your job for today. Your job for today says, number 1, say the rhyme. So after you pause this video, you're going to say the rhyme. Number 2, you're going to snore 16 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to go all the way to 16. You're going to have to snore 16 times. Then, number 3 says, say the rhyme again. And finally, it says, write snore 16 times on page 94. So let me go ahead and do that for you. So number 1, say the rhyme. 4 times 4, I heard you snore. 16 times and not one more. Now I'm going to snore. Number 2 says snore 16 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have to catch my breath. 10. Coughing. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and not one more. Number 3 says, say the rhyme. 4 times 4, I heard you snore. 16 times and not one more. And then number 4 says, write snore 16 times on page 94. So I'm going to do that right now. Take my page 94, where it says 4 times 4, I heard you snore 16 times and not one more. And all I'm going to do is write this word snore 16 times. Snore, snore, snore. Okay, so that's all you have to do for today, boys and girls. So let me put that screen back up. And make sure that you copy this or that you do all 4 of those things. Good job, boys and girls.